of the Temu haul. My last package just came. Let's get into it. All right, so next I got these strawberry slippers. They're so cute. How stinking cute. Ooh, and they're soft on the inside. I think that's so cute, so adorable. Period, Temu. Temu be coming in clutch. Okay, TT. I'm gonna call her TT from now on. A cup. Another glass cup. Another mom cup, like y'all saw earlier. I got a lot of these. Oh, perfect timing. I'm gonna try that tomorrow. Then we got some fuzzy socks. These are going in my Mother's Day basket. So cute. Ooh, I'm excited for this. Okay. Then we have this 12-pack of makeup brushes. It's giving Real Techniques vibe, and it came with 2 sponges and a puff. Okay, let's check out the quality. I really specifically wanted this. Ooh! Oh my goodness! This thing is, oh my goodness, this is perfect. It's so soft. Okay, team! Y'all, I'm gonna link this for y'all. This y'all need to get. This thing was so affordable too. Look at this brush. I don't have any makeup on, but. Okay, Temu. They're super soft, not like hard at all. And it came with a whole bunch of them. A whole bunch of stuff. I'm about to get another pack. Because I really need to throw away some of my really old brushes. And then the sponge. This sponge literally feels like the Beauty Blender. It's super squishy. Let me find out. Temu on the roll. All right, and then we got some lashes. A lash kit thingy. These are gonna be so cute. I'm probably gonna do these tomorrow because I don't have anything on right now and I have to go to an event tomorrow. So I'm gonna get up early and do these. Y'all will see that in the vlog. But these look really cute. Period. All right, and last but not least, we have this sign. I'm so excited for this. I'm so excited for this. Oh my goodness, yeah. Y'all, look at this sign that I got from Temu. Oh my gosh. Yo. Ah! It's a sign that says, oh my God. Look at it. It says beauty room. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put it right up there. How cute. And it's like pink, so it matches like my shoe thing. Because my pink shoes are right in the middle. I'm gonna put it right up there. And let's turn it on. All right, let me go show you guys. Look at it, it's so cute. All right, you guys ready? Let's see. Oh my gosh. How freaking cute. Period, Temu. No, Temu is literally my favorite. Look at the quality on that. The pink is pink. And that white is white, honey. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. And it was like already made. Let's see what these buttons. You can dim it. Ooh, a night look. It gets really bright and really dim. Yo, I'm hyped up. Temu did its thing. This is so cute. Okay, I'm definitely gonna make a reel about this because this is super nice. Let's let me go ahead and make this real quick. All right, you guys, so as you can see, my lashes are done. I just did my lashes with Temu clusters. Okay, these are the lashes that I got from Temu. They're super soft. Like, these are the softest lashes I've ever touched. No joke. They feel super mink and really nice. I just did this one off camera as a reel, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one for you guys. I'm really impressed. The way they look and the way they feel is super soft. I did not put my sealing yet. I'm gonna go ahead and seal it now. And then I'm gonna start on the other side for you guys. Y'all, look at Temu. Temu's coming in clutch with so many different things. There's so many things that you can buy super more affordable on Temu. So don't sleep on Temu, y'all. Let me just go ahead and seal it. So there we have it sealed. We're gonna go ahead and do this eye again. These lashes, they're clusters. This is what they look like. Super curly, super fluffy, and very, very soft. Again, they are softest lashes personally that I've ever touched. As far as clusters, these are way better than the Kiss lashes that I used recently. So first I'm going to go ahead and apply the bonder. Alright, so first we applied that. Now we're going to go ahead and start with the lashes. I used two 14s, two 12s, an 8 in the inner corner, and then a 10 in the middle. So that's exactly what I'm going to do again. Two 14s, two 12s, an 8 in the inner corner, and then a 10 right here in the middle to fill it up. Give me 1 second. My camera is running out of memory. So 14. Then I'm gonna go in with the two 12s and then double up with the 10 like I did to the other side. Oh, it's just going on so easy. Way easier than the Kiss ones. Way, way easier. I mean, look at how easy that was. Like it literally just glided right on, okay? All right, now we're gonna go in with an 8 in that inner corner. 8 is so cute and tiny. Cute little 8. Again, y'all, sorry, like I'm going in and out of the frame, but I need to be able to see. All right, as you can see, this one looks way more full. We gotta have to double up that 10, but before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze. Okay. Squeeze them together with my lashes. Alright, so again, we're just gonna take some more of that bonder and then we're gonna put it right on top of where we need to double up. This is the Kiss lash glue. I am gonna look for another lash glue. I just so happen to only have this one from the last time I did my lashes. That's the only reason I'm using it. All right, so I added some more bonding on top of the lash, and now we're gonna go in with the number 10. Just put it right on top in the middle of that. Just like that. Just fill it in. I think I need one more right here in the front. All right, so we've got all the lashes on. Now we're gonna go ahead and seal this side. We already did the other one. I'm gonna go ahead and seal. So make sure everything stays in place for the next week or so. All right, you guys, so I like them so much. Yeah, we're gonna see how long they last. And I will keep you guys updated on that. All right, my eyes are watering so bad. Okay.